What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2016 Harley-Davidson 48. Guys, this bike's awesome. It was just traded in. It's only got like 3,000 miles on it. This bike's in insanely good shape. It's got a little scratch there on the rear fender, if you can see that. Let's see right there. I'm using a different camera today, so it might be a little blurry at times. RC exhaust. It's actually got a really good look to him. Not obnoxiously loud, but got a really good like sound to him. It's all just bugs. This is all in really good shape. Obviously the Sportsters are the 48s are at 1200. It's got this little front bag on the fork. It's got a scratch right there on that front fender. Tires are in great shape, guys. This is all in really good shape. Top of the tank. I mean, it's got some real light scratching up here, which is super common. Super light. It's got the pigtail for the battery tender, obviously. That's pretty cool. It's all in really good shape, guys. Like I said, 2016. It's got a phone mount. It's only got 3,212 miles on it. Like I said, guys, 2016 Harley-Davidson Sportster 48. This bike won't last long, guys. It's so new. It's a 16 with 3,000 miles on it. It's going to be crazy cheap. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.